This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon qualified vendors. Products correspond to one of the following cosmetic conditions: excellent condition, no signs of cosmetic damage when held 12 inches away. Good condition, light scratches, barely visible when holding the device 12 inches away. Acceptable condition, scratches visible when holding the device 12 inches away and perceptible to the touch. This product will have a battery that exceeds 80% capacity relative to new. Accessories may not be original, but will be compatible and fully functional. Product may come in generic box. Product will come with a SIM removal tool, a charger and a charging cable. Headphone and SIM card are not included. This product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if it does not work as expected. Refurbished phones are not guaranteed to maintain their waterproof seal. See terms here. Top reviews from the United States. Great camera. Great camera with really easy setup and video review mode through the Garmin app. Will definitely be purchasing more for my other vehicles.